Hi guys, this is Duncan from dunksblog.com, and today I'd like to talk about converting a video into an animated GIF. There's many tools out there that help with this, but they either make you convert the entire video, offer no optimization whatsoever, or don't allow any form of editing either. So this allows for all three. It's called QGIFer and it's available for free. I'll provide the download link in the description. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how it works. It's very easy. Control Shift and V to put in your video. It currently supports AVI, MP4, MPG, and OGV. If you don't have this format, feel free to use something like Format Factory. I'll provide the download link to that in the description. Just put it over to one of these formats and then you can add it in. So I'm just going to add some stock footage. This is of a flame. If I go and click play, it's not going to do anything because at this point I need to select what part of the video I want to work with. So this little slider down here allows me to do that. The playing is now happening because I have this area selected. So I'm just going to drag this along a little bit, and I currently have my settings so this will loop, and the settings are available on the left hand side. So let's quickly dive into them. We have the FPS, we can zoom in, keep the aspect ratio if we want to resize it, things like that. We've got margins. Currently I have a small margin, 10px all the way around the outside. I can change that if I wish. I can add filters if I want to. So for example, if I wanted to change the color of this flame, all I need to do is do the hue on this. You don't see it currently because I haven't got it shown in the preview, because it does slow down the footage. As you can see here, it gets a little bit laggy when it does it, and it even says they're slow. But I can change this. So if I have it as a red flame, that looks quite cool. Change the saturation a little bit, make it a little bit nicer. Put this down. So there we go. We now have a red flame. Nice and easy to do. All you need to do is change the sliders. So we also have some blurring. We won't delve into that. And then go into the output properties. So you can change the palette here, mess around with it. We've got the start frame and the stop frame if you want to be absolutely exact with the area that you're working with. And then you can resize it too based on what you want to see. So that is pretty much all the options available here. But you can add some extra things too. So if I want to add some text to this, it's very easy. That little icon at the top, at the moment it says QGIFer. I can change a bunch of stuff. I'm going to say something like, "You're hot, winky face." And I'll change this to, oops, I don't know, about 30, just so it isn't too big. There we go. So this would be useful for things like memes, anything like that, and you can get this to move around as well if you mess around with the frames, which is pretty cool. And also you can add an object in, which is basically a picture. So if you have any PNGs, bitmaps, JPEGs, anything like that, you can add that in too using this program. So once you've done with this and everything is ready to go, all you need to do is edit and then extract the GIF. So you see it's now rendering the frames for me. I've got a fairly slow computer, so this might take some time. But once that's done, it's going to offer me up a GIF. So much better than using other tools online. You get some things that are just conversion software, such as Format Factory, and that's all you get. It just does the entire thing. But as you can see here, it's done my nice little looping GIF at the moment. I can change a few bits at the top, but I'm just going to go ahead and save it, put it on the desktop, and call it that. That's fine. And then when I go to open it, it will open itself in Earthen View, because that's my GIF viewer of choice. And there we go. That is my GIF done. Now it's going to probably be fairly large. Yeah, it's 1.14 megabytes. But what you can actually do inside the program is optimize the GIF. So what you can do is add a little bit of fuzz to it, which will decrease the quality of it. You'll see it's actually selected it already for me. And just click optimize. It's that easy. So once it optimizes it, it should. There we go. That's now done. It's given me another file. And it's added a little bit of fuzz to it, but if I go ahead and view the properties of that, this one is only 707 kilobytes, so that's a 25% saving just by adding a tiny bit of blur and a bit of quality loss to my GIF. So a very nice all-in-one application for creating GIFs if you have videos, and that's about it really. So thank you guys for watching this video. Before I go, YouTube has forced me to make a new Google Plus page for it for some reason. So I'll provide the link to this too. If you guys want to give me a +1, it'd help me out greatly. I mean, I think I have something like 300 on my personal one, but 6 on this one, which kind of sucks. But it does allow you to see the latest videos I make, and I'll probably be posting on this rather than my own one, just to say things that might be useful for the community. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.